Hello guys, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today we discuss about how to make $100 with Fiverr affiliate program. This is very good affiliate marketing option for any affiliate marketer. You can see here table of contents. Why pay table of contents? Why pay Fiverr affiliates? What is a Fiverr affiliate and proven ways to make money with Fiverr affiliates? How much you can earn from Fiverr affiliate program? Ways you can promote your Fiverr product as an affiliate marketing expert? Why participating in the Fiverr affiliate program now? Collision: how to make money online? Why Fiverr affiliate? In this article we know talk about the Fiverr affiliates and how can make money from the Fiverr affiliate. The number of people who Fiverr has been increasing in recent years. If you are looking for a way to make money online, that is a perfect place for you. You can do anything from designing logos and creative animations to providing the voiceovers or writing articles, and the best part is that you can get paid a low $5 per job. What is Fiverr affiliate? Fiverr is an online marketing place that provides the service of all kinds and a wide range of price. It has a platform for freelancers to offer their services, which range from graphic design, copywriting, video editing to programming. 5 proven ways to make money with Fiverr affiliate programs. Fiverr is a popular program that start $5. Fiverr that has daily earn up to $100 promoting their products services. Create your own product or service and promote it on Fiverr. Promote other people products on your social media channels, blogs and websites. Promote other people products through email marketing campaigns. Share the coupon codes with your followers on social media channels. Refer the people to the site and get a commission when they sign up. How much you can earn from a Fiverr affiliate? Fiverr is a marketplace of service and products. It is also an online work platform that allows the people to sell their skills and products. Fiverr enables you to earn the passive income by promoting Fiverr services on website, blog, and social media channels. 3 ways you can promote your Fiverr products as an affiliate marketing expert. Here is three ways you can see. These are 3 ways you can promote your Fiverr products as an affiliate marketing expert. Promote your Fiverr products through affiliate network. Promote your Fiverr products through blog post and other content. Promote your Fiverr products through email newsletters. Why participate in the Fiverr affiliate programming?